So this is the LIU HJG LED light that I bought from Amazon for about $1499. Comes with pack of 2. Not sure if you can buy it individually, but I'll try to share the link in the description for you to buy. Branding name here, LIU HJG. In Amazon you will see it being sold with the name OTO2EYE, powered by LIU HJG. So this is 4 LED setup, operating voltage 12 volt to 80 volt, and you can see all the details here. 25 watts each. Check out the length of this particular LED light. It is 118 millimeter length. Width is 44 millimeter and height is 39 millimeter. Double color, made in China. So this is the branding that you will see, OTO2EYE. Let's try to unbox this and see what we have inside. As per the description, it comes with 5 mode: white, yellow, red. So it has 5 mode as per the description in Amazon. Let's try to see if that is true or not. So we get hinges and screws. We have the Allen key as well. All the screws, hinges, Allen key is included. And then you have the main unit, which is the LED light setup. And this is how it looks. You have the metal guard on top. You have the fans integrated. This is waterproof. And I think I showed you that this is I think 25 watt each. So don't get confused with the data that you see in the website. So this is 25 watt as per the LIU HJG. And usually if you have multiple modes, you will see multiple wires, but here in my case I see yellow, red and black. Black is I think earthing, negative. You can check this. Build quality is amazing. It is all made out of aluminum. You have decent sink here to dissipate the heat. Build quality is amazing. It's very sturdy. Let me try to show you the performance of the white light and the yellow light. So it does come with 5 modes, and let me just quickly show you the modes that you get. First of all, let me try to show you the, this is yellow, this is white, this is yellow and white both, and this is flash, both yellow and white. Once again, let me show you. This is yellow and white both. This is yellow white flash. This is yellow. This is white. Let me try to show you the performance of this light. This is the devil eye, not very bright. Let me quickly show you the other modes. So this is yellow, this is white, this is yellow white both, and this is white yellow flash, and this is yellow solid. It's a pretty intensive light. White light is also very good, and this is from single unit. Imagine with both the units you have quite a good visibility. This is dual mode, yellow and white both, and this is again flashing, yellow white both. That's all in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.